So till here we have completed that how we can able to shut down and start a computer, and what are the things present on the desktop that we have studied in detail. So read the chapter, and whatever doubts you have you can. So now here we'll see that how we can able to shut down a computer. What are the steps we have to follow when we have to shut down or turn off a computer. But first we'll study that what is taskbar, and the second point we'll study that how to shut down a computer. What is taskbar? Whenever you start a computer, I told you the first screen which we see, that is known as desktop, and the small label pictures which are present on the desktop are known as icons. You all can able to see in this picture that we have desktop and icon, and one is mouse pointer, and at the down you are seeing on the desktop, that is taskbar. Taskbar is a long horizontal bar present on the desktop. It is not compulsory that we have to keep this taskbar at the down side of the desktop. We can move this taskbar anywhere on the desktop. If you want to keep it on left or right or upside, you can able to move it, or if you want to fix it at the down portion, that also you can able to do. Now we'll see that taskbar is the long horizontal bar. In this bar we have three things. This taskbar is divided into three parts, that is start button, middle section, and the notification area. Start button will help you to open the start menu. From there you can able to access all the icons, all the programs of a computer. Middle section will show you that whatever program you have open on your desktop, that you can able to see on the middle section of the taskbar. Notification area will show you that if any pen drive is connected, what is the volume you have kept it, what is date it's showing, what is the time, and if you are using a laptop, it will show you the charge of a battery also, that how much your laptop is charged. So these three parts will show the different things. Start button will open start menu. Middle section will show you all the programs which are open, and notification area will give you all the information like volume, battery charge, and date and time. So this is the taskbar. Now next topic we'll study, that is how we can able to shut down a computer. Again we'll discuss about the taskbar. We'll revise once that taskbar is a long bar present at the bottom of the desktop screen. The start button is present on the taskbar. The taskbar is divided into three parts, that is start button, middle section, and notification area. All the activities that we have started can be seen on the taskbar. Now we'll see that how we can shut down a computer. So to shut down a computer, again we have to follow some steps, like the steps which we have followed when we have learned about how to start a computer. So the first step when we have to shut down a computer is that you have to click on the start button. I already told you that where we have start button, it is present on the taskbar. So when you will click on the taskbar, the first step is click on the start button. When you will click on start button, you will see that start menu is open. This is known as start menu. In the start menu, you all are seeing that it is highlighted with red color rectangle, that shutdown button is there. When you will click on shutdown button, you can able to shut down the computer. And just beside that you are seeing one small arrow mark is there. What this arrow mark is showing, that if you want to switch user, log off, lock, restart, or sleep, if you want to keep your computer in all this option or forms, then you can select from this small arrow button. And if you want to shut down your computer directly, you want to turn off your computer, then you have to click on shutdown. So the second step is that drag your mouse pointer to the shutdown option. When you will click the shutdown option, the third thing which you will see, that your laptop or a computer will show this screen, that is shutting down. It will show shutting down. By seeing this screen, you can able to understand that your computer is getting shutting down. After this, a message showing that your computer is shutting down will appear. Now the next step is that you have to press the button of monitor. You have to switch off the monitor, press the monitor button and switch off the monitor so that your monitor will switch off. Now next step which you have to follow, that is you have to press the button of UPS. UPS means uninterruptible power supply. You have to click on that button and UPS will be off. Now last step which you have to follow, that is you have to press the button of main power supply. When you will press the main power supply button, the connectivity of electricity will go off and your computer will finally shut down. So these are the steps which we have to follow when we shut down a computer. The first step what you will do, we have to click on start button, then again you will see start menu. From there you have to select shutdown option. When you will click on shutdown option, you will see a message that your laptop or a computer is shutting down. After that you have to switch on the monitor screen, then press the UPS button and finally press the main power supply of the electricity. Then your computer will shut down. So till here we have completed how we can start and shut down a computer, what is desktop, icons and taskbar. Go through a chapter so that it is very easy for you to understand. Thank you.